Right now, your balance might not be where you want it, but soon it will be. I'm spilling the secrets on how to exit scam a token and make crazy money. All right, I'm going to break this down step by step, but before we dive in, let's talk about where to drop your meme coin. If you're thinking pump fun, forget it. That ship has sailed. Open up Photon and set the filter to pump fun's DEX. The number of coins launching is ridiculous. In just the past few seconds, Gigacoin and Credit have appeared, but they have no chance. The market's flooded because pump fun requires zero skill to launch a token, and anyone can launch one. If you adjust the settings on RAYDIUM, you'll spot something crazy. Only 4 tokens have been released in the last 5 minutes, but demand is through the roof. Check out these liquidity numbers. They're blowing up. What's the hype about? Simple. Launching here isn't easy. You need solid dev skills so investors actually believe in these projects. That's the magic of RAYDIUM. Now let me walk you through how it's done. I discovered Launch Tool, and it's a total game changer for RAYDIUM launches. Zero coding, no headaches, literally go from idea to live token in minutes. This has been my secret cash machine for weeks straight with no signs of cooling off. Found this perfect logo on Google for my new token. If you've seen my channel before, you know I always go with cartoons concepts. Here's the move. Jump into Canva, set up a 128 by 128 pixels, do some quick edits, and save. That's literally all it takes. All right, logos set? Sweet. First, link up your Phantom wallet. Now name your token. I'm going with SpongeBob as the name and Bob for the symbol. You can leave the description blank. Upload that sweet logo you made and keep moving. Important, don't touch the decimals or total supply. The defaults are perfect. Hit next. For creator info, you can skip it to save 0.1 Solana. Just uncheck it. Same goes for social media links. Totally unnecessary for launching on RAYDIUM, so just skip it. Pay attention here. You must keep the 0.3 Solana security features. Removing these will make your token look sketchy for the investors. Leave all permissions as they are and click Launch My Token Now. Now just wait a second, approve the transaction, and boom, your token's live on Solana. Let's verify it on SolScan. Your token is officially live on SolScan. Nice. Next up, you'll need to set up the liquidity pool. Without this, traders won't be able to buy or sell smoothly, and the price could go all over the place. All right, let's get this party started. Jump back into Launch Tool and hit that Create Liquidity Pool button. It'll take you straight to RAYDIUM. Now, your meme token's got to be front and center. Flip back to Launch Tool, grab your token's address, and drop it in. Put the name and symbol, in my case, SpongeBob and Bob, then click Add User Token to officially put your coin on the map. About those 1 billion tokens you just created, time to put 900 million to work in the liquidity pool. We're going full degen mode. For the trading pair, Solana is the only real option. Max your Solana to the limit and then subtract a little, 0.2 to be exact, for transaction fees. This is where you win big as the token creator. It's literally impossible to lose. Crank those fees up to a sweet 2% and thank yourself later. Once everything checks out, smash that Initialize Liquidity Pool button. Boom, your token is now live and ready for the moon. Now grab some popcorn and watch the trading action unfold. Your token's now officially listed on Photon's main board, front and center for all the big traders to see. Keep your eyes glued to that chart as trading volume starts building up. Do you want to stay on top of your coin's performance? Let me walk you through how to track every move. To get started, visit dexscreener.com and choose a random token. Once loaded, return to Launch Tool to copy the address of your token. Paste it into the DEX Screener URL, replacing the current one, and hit Enter. Just like that, your chart is active. Now the waiting game begins. Let the buyers do their thing. The golden rule: liquidity monitoring separates the winners from the losers. Don't forget to check the RAYDIUM portfolio page as well. Set it to Standard and refresh it from time to time until your balance appears. You may need some patience, but it will appear. We have our first buy, and it is very good. Almost $112 in only 3 minutes, which pushes our market cap to $226 and our liquidity to $377. Guys, this is insane. Our second big buy, almost $225 in just 7 minutes. And look at that market cap at 661 and the liquidity at 646. What a profits. And another buy, over $100. We already have plenty of volume with the market cap at $1,900 and our liquidity at $913. In less than 15 minutes, these profits are insane. So let's cash out. Jump into RAYDIUM's portfolio tab and click Standard View. This displays your current holdings. Find the minus button, max it out to 100%, and you'll reveal your full liquidity pool position. Don't miss the Solana amount displayed below. That's your actual cash out value. Tap Remove Liquidity, confirm the transaction in your wallet, and boom, you'll get verification that your assets are safely withdrawn. This is the moment you've been hustling for. Pop open your wallet, let it update, and feast your eyes on those ridiculous profits. I straight up doubled my bag in less than 5 minutes. The wildest part? This strategy is laughably simple. And the kicker? You can run this play over and over until you've banked your dream profits. The method is absolutely ridiculous. Although let's do it now. The clock is ticking. Capitalize hard while the iron is hot. This is purely informational. Zero affiliation with RAYDIUM, Launchtool, or Dex Screener. But if quick profits are your thing, this tactic is red hot. Move fast before the train leaves the station.